Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am stripping my towels. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that, strip your laundry. It gets all the nasty buildup from your laundry soap, fabric softeners, your oils off your body. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This is what this video is going to be about. And you let them soak for 5 hours and you stir it every hour. So I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and get everything started. And I'm also going to be showing you guys everything I am using for this. I use some laundry baking soda, a scoop of Tide powder, and I am using OxiClean. So you fill your bath of your tub up with scalding hot water, hot as you can possibly get it. And then you're going to put all of this products in there, stir it in, and then we're just going to toss in the clothes, which I am doing my bath towels right now. I've done it before because I wanted to see how well it worked. So this is the third time I have stripped my laundry, and you know, the amount of dirt and stuff that just comes out it's pretty bad. It's gross. So yeah, let's put all of our chemicals in and stir it up, and then we'll just start putting our towels in. Sorry. This towel, I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty gross. First time I've ever stripped this one. This is the towel my husband had from when he was in basic training, AIT, and the whole time he served in the Army. So, and he's out now, so I am sure this is going to be absolutely disgusting. And then I'm gonna take it and just stir it all and just like mix it real well, and make sure you cover your towels with the water completely. I'm just using a broom handle, but yeah, I'm gonna let this completely fill up. I mean, you can already see some of the dirt and the nastiness that's coming from my towels. And I just put these in there, and yeah, you can see how nasty that is. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna let my tub fill up some more with some scalding hot water. And I'm going to come back in 30 minutes and show you guys what it looks like when we come back to stir. And then it's got to soak for 5 hours. Come back in 30 minutes. So it's been an hour and I came back to give it a stir, and as y'all can see, you can just see how dirty the water is. And these were clean towels. I had just washed them. 4 hours. That is so gross. It's about 4 hours in. So this is the 5th and final hour. I am pulling my towels out to wring them out so I can wash them. But I really do hope you guys give this a try. And let me know down below if you guys have tried it out and what y'all think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And when you hit the bell notification button, it will let you know every time I upload a new video. But this is something I did see on TikTok one day. This lady was stripping her clothes, and it just got me to think, and it's like, well, maybe my stuff looks pretty bad even after I washed it. So I wanted to try it out. And as y'all can see, the water is disgusting. I mean, it's just nasty. Now I'm just going to finish wringing everything out the best that I can, and then I'm going to go and put them in my washer, put them on a spin cycle just to spin out any of that excess water, and then I am going to put it on wash, and I'm going to wash all the towels. And stay tuned, because my next one is my sheets. I'm about to go get my bed sheets and put them in and strip those and get them clean. So I will show you guys what that looks like. As soon as I get this out and wrung out, put in the washer, then I'm going to come back and put my bed sheets in and let you guys see how that looks, and give you guys some updates on that, and go from there. So again, I'm going to do the Tide Power, and it says to use borax. I didn't have borax earlier, so I had to go and get some, because stir it up just to make sure it's all dissolved and everything. I actually had seen this on TikTok, so I don't remember who did it, but this measurements for everything else, I just go ahead and use a scoop. This is an hour in.
kind of give it a stir. It looks really bad. That's gross. And these were clean. I had just washed them. But so just by stripping them, it's taking out like all that laundry soap, the fabric softener buildups, your scent boosters, like all that buildup, dirt, grime, oils from your skin, and lotions, and kind of sweating at night, getting too hot. It's just stripping all that nastiness out. So I will be doing this, stripping my sheets like every 2 weeks. I mean, because I change my sheets every 3 days just because they get nasty and grimy feeling with your dead skin and everything. And plus I feel like you always sleep better anyways when you have got clean sheets on your bed. So this is about the 3rd hour. I sort of forgot to come in here an hour ago. Oh yeah, it's nasty and murky it is. This I actually left it overnight, so I'm about to pull it all out and wash it.